Here you go, number 2. Man, I wonder if there's actually like lightning coming down from the ground. There we go. Was there lightning? I didn't see. I was looking. Oh, it's over there. Can the camera even adjust from there? No, it can't. Yeah, there's the noise. Oh, it's coming from there. You're kidding me. Whatever, this is a good spot. Yeah, there's lightning coming from there, but the camera cannot see there. Okay, so there's the camera. Here you go, bro.
Yeah.
Oh, you're kidding me. No.
That was a good one.
No, I missed it. I missed it.
You might have got part of it.
I might have got part of it. I saw some lighting. There's so many bugs on the camera. It's making some noise though.
I think it already passed over us.
It's gonna come from there now. Let me just adjust the camera to there. I really don't want to go into the rain. Okay, so there's that, and then that. I can kind of see it. Maybe if your screen brightness is at like 1,000, you can see it. I can hear it over there. Ow, mosquito. Jesus. Stupid mosquitoes. I just want one more thunderstorm, then I'll give up. Well, lightning. I need to film more in Wisconsin.
What?
I need to film more. Oh, it's rumbling over there. It's rumbling over there. Mosquitoes are everywhere. They always like to infest at night. Gotcha. Whoop, whoop. Actually, what does the stainless scale?
Ah,
Nice.
you did that one?
Yep. I got it.
Get a lot of points. Say something on video.
Right, it's so dark. I can barely see it right now, and the camera is even worse. Doesn't do well with brightness.
Like Gary up.
Huh? 58%. Excuse me. What time is it now? 10:20? Oh, you're kidding me.
That's your mom.
Huh?
That's your mom.
She's over a bar, I'm pretty sure.
Went to a bar.
Yeah.
Oh.
Hi. Drinking some. Or is that cherries? Give me a piece.
Couple left. They're pretty good.
Oh, come on! The sky is literally gray. Whatever.